Lowell Thomas speaking, flashing to you the news of the world, pictured by Fox Movie Tone.
We take you to the Princess Juliana International Airport in St. Maarten, as the Princess prepares to release its summer schedule to the public. What's the summer schedule, you might ask? Well, let's have them tell you exactly what it is.
The summer schedule is where this organization meets with all the airlines for the upcoming period for the summer, which is the period April to October, where we sit with the airlines and look at the capacity of the airlines and the airlift that is scheduled to be coming to this island.
The first thing, summer schedule. In the airline industry, it's a little different than the real summer. It starts in April and ends in October. So it represents a little bigger period. It represents actually 7 months. This is something new we are trying as an airport, and where we invite the hospitality sector. Last year, we did around nearly 350,000 passengers in that period. It's at least 10 points above what we did last year. So, guess what? We're growing. We saw more passengers the first 3 months of this year coming to St. Maarten. And remember we count twice, when you reach and when you leave. So we saw 15% more. And we're studying what is happening, but I think the demand for, the island is there.
Okay, y'all, I am here with the commercial director, Michiel. How are you?
How are you doing,
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Now, this is something you guys have done. It's called the summer schedule.
Yes.
You guys have never done anything like this before?
No, not officially. No, usually we just send out a schedule, but this time we wanted to do a little different to explain which airlines are coming during the summer season and how many flights they are doing.
Now, is this something normal in this type of industry when it comes to airports to release it and have a gathering like this?
Some of them do, and we follow suit because we think it's very important to invite the public to the airports, to also show them what we have and what the developments are, especially in our case. And so the next one is going to be winter season.
Okay. Now you mentioned it's important. Why is this important?
Because it has major impact on the tourism industry, but also the infrastructure of St. Maarten. So it is good to inform everybody what the impact is going to be, the positive impact is going to be, and what the expected occupancy rate for hotels is going to be, Airbnb. It has major impact on the economy of St. Maarten.
So some of the people that you invited here today are, like for instance, who?
Hoteliers, restaurateurs, but also the central bank was here. The tourism board for both Dutch and French side were here. So it's a very varied bunch of people.
Okay. Yes. So this, which I think is a great idea, because now you get to expect what flights are coming from what destinations, and your summer schedule is not as big as your winter schedule, I heard?
No, the winter schedule is bigger, and the winter season is shorter. So officially, the summer season starts, in our case, starts from the 1st of April till the end of October, and then from November till March, that is winter season.
Okay, right. So we can expect another gathering like this?
But bigger and better.
Bigger and better.
Bigger and better.
Okay. Well, I think this is really cool that you guys release the summer schedule, and then the public gets to know exactly what's coming. And you guys kind of have figures possibly of how many people should be arriving as well?
Let me start with the number of planes that are coming.
Okay.
Last year we had 22,000 planes coming in during summer season. This year it's 23,000, so that's 1,000 planes more.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
Last year 350,000 people came in. This year we're expecting more than 400,000 visitors.
So the numbers are up.
The numbers are higher than even expected.
So, Michiel, thank you very much.
Hey,
and you guys are doing a wonderful job, and I hopefully maybe see you for the winter schedule when that comes out.
Oh yeah, you're definitely invited.
All right. Keep it right here, Restoring a Princess. Don't go nowhere.
In a nutshell, I'm going to just say this. This summer schedule adds around between $250 to $270 million to the economy of St. Maarten.
Summer schedule. officially released by the Princess, which I think is a great idea. And usually around the world, airports do this type of thing to let the hoteliers and the rent-a-cars and the restaurants know exactly how much traffic is coming. And this is something that has never been done before in St. Maarten, and you can expect it also for the winter schedule. Hey, make sure you keep tuning in to Restoring a Princess and hit that bell to remind you when a new episode is coming out. And don't forget, this year, November, the Princess is going to be celebrating 80 years. And boy, do we have something big coming up for you guys. For next time, it's G Money, Restoring a Princess.